Hi, Adil again. So today I'm gonna talk about how to store your HyDrop Drinkable Hairspray. So it's very easy. You may realize there's a refrigerator behind me or next to me. So now you just open it. When you don't use it, you just put it in the refrigerator. When you want to use it, you open it, right? You take it out, you go to bathroom or wherever you make your hair, and you just use it. After you're done, you put it back. So that's how you store it. Now you may think, what's the deal? Like, it's hairspray, why do you have to store it this way? Let me explain. So you see, it doesn't have crazy preservatives in it. The only preservative it has is ascorbic acid. So the natural one. And if you put it in the room temperature for a long time, it can go bad easily. That's what it comes with, natural healthy stuff, right? So you need to store it properly. So under the room temperature, it can stay 2 or 3 days, maybe 4 days. But this is the best way to store it. In this way, you can store it for a very long time, sometimes even a month. Last time I made it for myself, it was October 2024, and I used it again with this method, okay? And I used it until early January 2025. So this is a very effective, not only effective, probably the way you should store your HyDrop drinkable hairspray. So I suggest you to do that. And with that, I'll finish my video today. Let me know, and stay styled, stay HyDrop.